Determine the equation of a line having a y-intercept of 4 and is perpendicular to the line containing the points 2, -3 and 4, 2. So here we will use the slope-intercept form of a line to find out the equation of the line. Now the slope-intercept form of a line is given by y equals to mx plus c. So here m is the slope of the line and c, that's going to be the y-intercept of the line. Now in our case, the y-intercept, that's the value is given to us. It's given here that the line is having a y-intercept of 4. So let's write it down. Given the y-intercept value, which is c, it's 4 units. Now it's also given here that the equation of the line that we need to obtain, this line will be perpendicular to the line containing 2, -3 and 4, 2. Now here work well too. We will use the fact that if we have two lines, let's say one of the line has got a slope m1 and the other line has got a slope m2. If we take the product of the slopes of the two lines, then the product is always going to be -1 if the two lines are perpendicular to each other. So let's use this fact. Now since we have the line formed by joining the point 2, -3 and 4, 2. So here we can easily find out the slope of that particular line. So the slope will be let's call it m1. So that will be given by, so what we'll do, we'll take the ratio in the numerator. We need is the difference of the y coordinate. So we'll start with 2 and from here we're going to subtract 3. So that means 2 minus -3. And the denominator will start with 4 and from there we're going to subtract 2. So we have 4 minus 2. So this will be equals to 2 minus -3, that's going to be +5. 4 minus 2, that's going to be 2. Okay, now we have the slope of the line which is formed by joining the points 2, -3 and 4, 2. But we need the slope of the other line which is perpendicular to this line. So that line, let's call it m2. So we know since m2 times m1, that's going to be equals to -1. We have the value of m1, so m2 will be equals to -1 over m1. So this will be equals to -1 over 5 over 2, or simply put, we have -2 over 5. Now we have the slope of the line, we have the y-intercept of the line. So we can replace all the values of m, we can replace the value of m and c into our slope-intercept form. So this is going to give us, now we have y equals to the slope. So slope will be m2 times x plus the y-intercept, that's c. So m2, that's going to be equal to -2 over 5 times x plus c. So c value, that's going to be 4. So we have y equals to -2 over 5 times x plus 4. This is going to be the equation of the line in standard form. And if we want to simplify it, we can rewrite this equation. Let's multiply throughout by 5. So we have 5y equals to -2x plus 20, or we have 2x plus 5y equals to 20. So this is going to be the equation of the line which has a y-intercept of 4 units and it is perpendicular to the lines connecting 2, -3 and 4,